Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the complete wiring of this DIY 3D printer. So in the last video I showed you all the components. So now I'm going to show you the whole wiring. As you can see here, I have joined all the components. Now let's go to the RAM board and I will show you the whole wiring. So this is the whole wiring for this DIY 3D printer. So on the RAM board you can see here, these are the pins for hotend, cooling fan and heat bed expansion. So I'm using heat bed expansion because we have already converted this RAM board into 24 volt. If you don't know how to convert it into 24 volt, then you can watch my previous video. And after converting it into 24 volt, we will have to connect Arduino separately with the power supply, or you can connect with the direct AC voltage. So I have connected Arduino like this. So you can see here I have connected the wire with the power supply and then adapter, and I have connected Arduino with the adapter by using Arduino cable here. So this is giving power to Arduino, and this is how you will connect your Arduino after converting it into 24 volt. Now this is the heat bed expansion. Two wires are connected with the power supply and two wires are connected with the heat bed. So we are using a heat bed expansion because we do not want to melt down our RAM board. If we connect directly heat bed with the RAM board, it will draw too much current because it is now 24 volt heat bed. So we are using heat bed expansion, and this is the signal wire that we are connecting RAM board with the heat bed expansion. After that, these are the wirings for extruder motor, X motor, Y motor and Z motor, and I am using A4988 motor drivers because they are very cheap and easily available in the market. After that, here you can see the wiring for end stops because we are using mechanical limit switches. So this is the wiring, and I plugged in into the min positions, so X min, Y min and Z min. After that, here is one cable that you need to connect with your RAM board in aux to pin 1 and pin 4 on the right side of the pins. This connection is necessary for power loss recovery, otherwise your print will not start. And this is the wiring for LCD cable. I am using 2004 rep LCD. So this is the pin for cooling fan, which is directly connected with the power supply. So cooling fan will remain always on if we connect our cooling fan with these pins. And these pins are for controlled cooling fan, which is also called part cooling fan here. So this is the whole wiring for our DIY 3D printer, and if you still have any further question, you can ask me in comment section or you can contact me on WhatsApp. And I request you to join my WhatsApp channel and WhatsApp group for latest updates, and also you can interact with each other. Also hit the bell icon and subscribe button and stay connected for latest updates. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.